If your teens ever uttered the words, "What's the point of exams?" or maybe you have too, then listen in, because if you thought they were just a thing to be passed to get the grades for whatever lies ahead in life, then you've got to stick around for this week's blog. I'm Katie Price, grade transformation expert, and don't worry, I'm not going to try and convert you into some sort of exam board cult. I just want to give you a positive angle to consider. Because, yes, exams are partly a tool to judge ability in a subject or a skill. They do test knowledge of whatever topics are being assessed. But what if they were really more useful than that? Because here's what else exams are. They're a test of being able to decipher what people are really asking for, what information or skills the examiners or teachers want students to show. In fact, I actually had a very savvy parent say this to me a few years ago. Her son was doing the 10-week grade transformation program, and she'd watched some of Catapult 7 with him, which dives deep on one of the 6 elements of exam technique. And she told me that it really wasn't much different to what she has to do at work. She said that from what her clients tell her, she has to work out what they want, exactly what they're asking for, and then translate that into what she makes a proposal for or provides for them. So maybe exams do have some actual real-world application after all. Maybe they do have some purpose and skills that translate and serve us beyond the exam hall and results day. Because if students can become masters of working out what people want from the words they use and get brilliant at giving them exactly what they want in a clear and efficient way, then that's surely going to serve them well in their life and their career, right? So here's how I choose to see exams these days. Yes, they demand good subject knowledge. Yes, they require certain skills like source analysis or numeracy skills, for example. But beyond that, they also require an ability to dissect the wording of questions, be able to understand and act on that information, to provide a response that fulfills the needs and wants of each question. This is why, as you'll have heard me say lots of times before, all the subject knowledge in the world is useless if your team doesn't have the tools and strategy to do those things, to apply it. And it's why so many hardworking and intelligent students still aren't getting the results they deserve to get, the grades they could and should be getting in their exams. So maybe there is more to exams than just testing subject knowledge. Maybe they actually are useful for later life. And maybe they're about teaching students more than just learning and memorizing facts and information. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below or drop me an email, katie.price@rocksolidstudy.com.au. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback on this. And if you know someone else who could benefit from this perspective, then feel free to forward this video to them or share the link on social. And until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.